Hi everyone, it's Kat, and today I have a handbag review for you. So, I had been on the lookout for a nylon bag, and I know the Prada re-edition bags have been all the rage, but since it is just nylon, I wanted to find something that was comparable to that, but with a lower price tag. And I found that exact thing through this Kate Spade bag. So here is the bag. As you can see, it is very similar to the Prada re-edition in shape. This one is just a bit bigger. It also has a canvas strap, as you can see here, which is a lot thinner in size, or a lot thinner in width than the Prada re-edition. Now for comparison, this bag was, let me see, $148 US. But they had a 10% off coupon code, which I used to get this bag. So with taxes, it ended up being $148 even. Now, what I like is it's a really nice, smooth, durable nylon, and you can kind of hear it. And it has a very simple logo. It just says Kate Spade, New York, and kind of a champagne gold hardware. And I am really excited to use this bag. I have been looking for a more casual, everyday bag. I did just do a review on the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, which is good for casual and more, I guess, businessy looks. But for just everyday going to the grocery store, that bag is a bit bigger than what I need. So I wanted something that was more casual and really carefree, because the leather on that tote bag is so nice and supple, and I don't want to damage it by using that bag all the time. But with nylon, it's a super durable fabric, easy to clean, and since it is in black, it won't show up a lot of dirt. So the bag has a one zip on the top, which is super easy to open. So inside, it's just one big pocket, and there is one flap pocket, and then there is one zip pocket on the opposite side. And then it has this cute little spade. I don't think you can see it, but I will do some close-up shots so you can see the bag and also the inside of the bag. And now I'm gonna show you what fits in the bag. So let's go. All right, everyone. So here is the bag, and here you can see the hardware, super nice. So here you can see there is one large flat pocket on this side, and then there's also a zippered pocket here. So for things you want to secure more, you can put in here. Easy access items you can put in this flap. And then it also has this cute little spade on the inside, which I thought was a nice touch. So let's see what we can fit inside. So first up, I have my wallet. That fits easy. Then we have sunglasses. Phone, obviously. Then we have some gum, put in this flap. And then here I have some lip products, put in there. And then keys and pepper spray, of course. And as you can see, fits perfectly with plenty of room on top for more items. You could definitely fit a small notebook in here. And then we just zip it up, and there you go. And then let's shimmy it around so it's a bit more even. And yeah, there's the bag. And here is how the bag looks on. So as you can see, this bag has a lot of room, and I'm really excited to use this just for day-to-day use. It's a very carefree bag, which I have been looking for a while. Also such a carefree bag, and if you're looking for something that you want that Prada look without the Prada price, I think this is such a great bag to do that with. And also, I wanted to just throw in a quick mini Casetify review. I know influencers kind of push their product a lot, and so I was kind of skeptical because of that, but I bought this with my own money. I don't tend to buy a lot of phone cases or change them out that often, but I am so impressed with this phone case. I just got an iPhone 12. I wanted a fun case, and I was looking for an iridescent one specifically. Now, Rimowa actually has an iridescent case, but when I was looking at it, it didn't seem like it was the most protective, especially on the front of the phone, like where you're using the apps and stuff. But when I just typed into Google iridescent phone cases, I found one on Casetify, and just my luck, I accidentally ordered the wrong thing, and Casetify's customer service was so helpful and so nice, and they helped me get exactly which case I wanted. And the one I got that was iridescent was actually a lot cheaper than the Rimowa foam case, and I think is more protective. So let me show you which one I got. So it is this iridescent, as you can see. Oh my gosh, I just love that there's so many colors in one. And in the sun, so right now it's picking up as blue and purple, but in the sunlight it'll be kind of more orange. And yeah, I'm really impressed, and I'm really thankful that the customer service helped me out, because I would have been stuck with a case that I did not want because I accidentally ordered the wrong thing. So yeah, if you're interested in Casetify, I would definitely suggest checking it out. And yeah, if you're looking for a really good phone case, then I definitely recommend Casetify. This is not sponsored or anything, but I just wanted to put that out there because they were so nice to me in helping me remedy my issue. So yes, I wanted to include that in this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment down below, are you interested in any of these products? I will leave a link for some of my other videos up above, and also links for the products in the description box down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a great rest of your day or evening, and yeah, stay tuned. All right, see y'all, bye.